Welcome to WKM Forex. Today I'll be analyzing the market of Bitcoin, BTC USDT, because a lot of people have been asking me to make this analysis of exactly what the market is doing. So today I'll be showing you exactly where I feel the market is going. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment what exactly you want me to do. So let's go into the market live as the market is going. This is BTC USDT monthly time frame. I just want to keep everything simple so that everybody will understand exactly what I am saying concerning BTC and USDT. If we look at the market, we see that the market starts a movement from this zone right here down to the side, and from there it pull back down to this zone here. If you look at the market and if you look at the structure, it acts as if this is an Elliott wave. If you look at the market, you see that this movement show as if this is an Elliott wave, as if this is wave one and two, and this is wave three and four, and wave five. And this bearish sign shows that this is a correction of the wave. Shows something A, B, and C. And if we take a Fibonacci retracement, we see that from this zone, let's take it, we're expecting the market to take 61.8, but the market tested the 61.8, but still got a very strong bearish movement that broke the 61.8. But presently now it got to 78.6, 78.6. And as it got there, they find some rejection around that zone. If we go to weekly time frame, we see it clearly. It got some rejection around that zone. But let me remove all these things so that we can get uh, the analysis clear. If you look at this zone, you see that this zone here is very big support. This zone here is a very big, very strong support, because that's the zone the market broken before it continued the bullish movement. But now it's back to that zone. And what are we expecting in this zone is for the market to continue the bullish movement. Let me remove all these things. Is the market to continue the bullish movement, though it can uh, consolidate here for a while. But after it did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correction is A, B, C. But if you eventually broke this zone, the market will be coming down to around 16 or 11,000. The price will be coming to around 16 or 11,000. So let's go to uh, weekly time frame. You see that around this side, when the market did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it did some behavior as if this is an it did some behavior around this side as if this is head and shoulder pattern. But the head and shoulder pattern not too sure because a lot of people did not see the head and shoulder pattern. So it did something like this, head and shoulder pattern, and it has broken the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. So, and at the same time, if you look at it in other way, you see that uh, because in the market you have to check different ways. If you look at it in other ways, you see that from here, it's as if it's counting. If you go to daily time frames, it's as if it's counting another Elliott wave to the downside. One is one, two. We're expecting this one to be three, four. So we'll be looking for a retracement of the 3 4 when we go to uh, daily time frame. Let's go to a daily time frame. If you go to a daily time frame, if this one is 1 2, then we'll be looking for a retracement of 3 4. So the retracement should be around 38, 38.2, around 38, and that's 29,000 or 50% before it will continue the bearish movement. Because if you look at the market, you see that the the market is counting wave, and it has count 1 2. We're expecting that one to be 3 4. It has counted like this 1 2. So we're expecting this one to be 3 4 5. So this is 1 2, and because this is ABC correction, this is 3 4. And if you check out this 3 4, you see this is uh I just want to make sure I break everything down. This is showing us a bearish flag pattern around this side, because if you want to trade this pair, you have to be very careful. This is bearish flag around this side, and anywhere you see bearish flag, that means it wants to is preparing for the continuation of that trend. So this is another bearish flag around this side. So this bearish flag shows the sign of the market still going in a downtrend. For short traders, I don't advise you to trade BTC to be bullish around this side. But if you want to invest in BTC for a long while, you can start buying BTC now, because no one can really tell where it will start the bullish movement. But being but for day trading, for short traders, this is exactly what the market is doing, and that is the reason why I am breaking down the market. If you zoom it out and go to lower time frame, you see that this is a bearish flag, and the market can continue uh, to the down channel at any time. If you still go to a lower time frame, you see that the market is actually ranging around this zone. So to trade the market, you need to be very careful. You need to be very, very careful, because if you want to trade BTC, either buy or sell, you need to know exactly what you are doing. Now, for now, this is the support and the resistance. If you buy here in the market, where will you, if you buy that the market should go up here, where are you going to place your stop loss? Nowhere you can be able to place your stop loss, because to me the market is still coming down here. Before, even if it wants to move, it will follow this channel. It's still coming to this side, to this zone. It's still coming to this zone here. before it will it will still test this zone here before it will continue with this bearish flag channel. And if you break this, if you eventually break this channel, that means it will continue the downward movement. If you break this channel and break this zone, if you break this channel and break this zone, it will consolidate around this side and it will continue the downward channel. So that is exactly what I have for you on BTC for today. Please give us a thumbs like and leave a comment for us exactly what you want us to do. Thank you.